So hi Daz, how are you?
Church, I'm good. I'm good. Your simpletons. We are back with another episode.
Yes. So keep your antennae up, absorb everything that we are saying,
Government dies.
and government dies. Listen to us, enjoy yourself, and government dies in and drown in
Yeah,
laughter.
as we are doing.
Yes, exactly. You have no idea, simpletons, how we look forward to this. So, after finishing the day's work or after having gone out and come back in the heat, we just look forward to yapping away, for all a
Happily,
few
happily.
days. Yeah.
Okay, so what are the topics for today? Should I reveal it or
ah,
you're giving some clues?
let's do bit by bit now. Let's not reveal at one
Okay,
shot.
okay,
Okay. So, the first thing that we are taking up is a continuation of what we did
okay.
last
So
week.
for that, I'll give you one clue. Okay.
Yes.
ऐसी कौन
Yes.
सी चीज है जो औरत संभाल नहीं सकती?
घर संभालती है, बच्चे संभालती है, साड़ी को संभालती है, जबान नहीं संभाल सकती.
Correct.
ओके ओके. सो
जबान
जबान
संभाल
संभाल
के.
के. Oh, this is super nice,
I
super
know.
duper does.
Even though I
Really good.
just undermined ourselves.
Yes, I know, I agree. But I don't think we can, control our tongues either because we enjoy it. But I think we do it in a nice
Yeah.
way. So it's okay.
So,
Anyway, coming back to Zaban Sambal Ke, our very own Indian take on Mandi
correct.
or language. Oh my God. Another wonderful serial that, DD came out with. And I think it was amazing. And the galaxy of actors
Yeah,
that we
brilliant,
had in it,
brilliant
right?
actors. You had this whole family of this one, Shubha Kote, her brother, sibling,
Yeah, Shubha Kote. Yeah, her twin brother.
Viju
Shubha Kote
Kote,
and Viju
twin
Kote are
brother,
twins.
daughter,
And her daughter,
Bhavna Balsavar.
Bhavna Balsavar. Yes.
She did a very good job of South
Yeah.
Indian actress. Ayyo.
Yes. She'll say, Hindi meri kache, par acting meri achhi. That's how
And
it
she
would
always
be.
used to do the Bharatanatyam dance.
Yeah, so let's put that small bit here. Okay, that
Yes,
introduction bit.
जबान संभाल के जबान संभाल के जबान संभाल के जबान संभाल के जो चाहे कहो पर जरा देखभाल के जबान संभाल के
मैं गवर्नमेंट का अफसर हाँ हिंदी भाषा सीखता हाँ हिंदी मेरी कच्ची पर एक्टिंग मेरी अच्छी
हम हांगकांग से आया बड़ी कितना डॉलर लाया धीरे से कहो टैक्स वालों से बचो.
Pankaj Kapoor, main
And
Mohan
of course,
Bharti.
how can we forget exactly the equivalent of Mr. Brown?
Yeah.
But here the tragedy is that he's an engineer out of work, so he comes to teach Hindi. So that's the unfortunate
Yes.
part. But he ends up
And
liking it so
in the
much
very
that they
first
just continue,
episode,
right? So that's
where
the
he
good
comes
part
for
of
the this job, he
Is it?
comes and he has to negotiate with Shubha Kote, like the
Okay.
principal Dikshit, Snehalata Dikshit.
Yes. Ah,
Yeah.
Dikshit, yes.
So
तो
she
अब
asked, आपने
भारी
पहले
भरकम
किसी को
name
पढ़ाया
was
है?
had in
So he
this.
says, हाँ पढ़ाया. किसको पढ़ाया? चिंटू मिंटू ये and 2-3 names he says. कौन है ये सब? वो हमारे बगल वाली आंटी के बच्चे, मेरी her his maid, and he says these people he has taught Hindi, and she doesn't have any other good candidates. So then he says, आप
My
तनख्वाह में क्या
oh my
लोगे?
God.
She asks him. So he
Okay,
says
okay.
5,000 रुपए, एक बंगला और एक गाड़ी. She says, हट. So he says 5,000 रुपए, एक बंगला. हट. Then he says 5,000 रुपए. हट. Again. 4,500 रुपए. हट. 4,000 रुपए. हट. So ऐसा करते करते they come to then she says he comes till 2,000.
God.
2,000 रुपए. She says हट. And he says अरे इससे कम तो 500 रुपए से ज्यादा नहीं दूंगी तुमको. Yeah.
My
So his
God.
salary is like only
5,000
500.
and
So imagine
500,
in
just
those days.
imagine. Oh my
It was a 90s show, right? 93 or
100
something.
rupees. But those days salaries, okay, still I think salary would have been 4,000, 5,000 for a
Yeah.
new recruit who's maybe a Kamsansgrad or something
Ah,
like
yeah.
that, I don't know. But still,
Anthony says, okay,
500
ठीक है.
rupees because he must have been desperate for money, poor guy. I know. But finally, how he teaches and how he gets them
Yeah.
all around and how he
Stupid.
loves his whole, vocation of being a teacher is, it's amazing. It's amazing. So I also remember one instance. I think one of the famous pop singers, like the
Okay.
Hindi singers, who speaks like very Angrezi type Hindi, comes in to learn Hindi because she has to play Mirabai or she has to sing some Mirabai song. Okay, Mirabai song. So everybody tries to teach her Hindi. Okay,
Okay,
nobody
okay.
is able to do it, including the clerk in the office is trying to teach her Hindi. All the time she keeps singing, Meera ke Prabhu Geedad na gir. Instead of Giridhar Nagar.
Oh my God. Geedad.
Everybody tries. Finally, at the end of the episode, they give up because they can't teach her Hindi.
And yeah.
So that was really funny, And she wears
Okay.
those full, Meera type,
I don't
sadhu type
remember this
sari
one.
and all.
Actually, I don't remember many of the scenes and all. Because it's a long
I-
time, since we watched more than 20 years.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
it had many more episodes than Mind Your Language. So Mind Your Language had 2 seasons. I think these guys
It went
had,
on from 93 to
100
97, I
plus
suppose.
episodes, if I'm not mistaken.
So
I'm
it
not
was
sure.
almost 4 years.
But
Yeah,
yeah,
Yeah.
I think yes.
yeah.
It was good fun that once a week to watch this Hindi take, on Mind Your Language. Again, nice roasting.
Yeah,
It was
yeah,
not
correct,
all
correct.
those,
Agree. Yeah.
It was not
So
all
even
those
this,
nasty
the
roasting. It was
Parsi
very
Baba,
nice roast.
Keki Dastur.
Yes.
Very good. He was always after the
Ha,
hostess.
ha, ha. Yes.
Always used to line Marufai.
Yes. I know. Yeah, I swear. Oh, line maro ke liye somebody
Yeah.
will be there, no? Like the French lady in Mind Your
And
Language.
Vivek
Max
Vaswani
and
was, he
Giovanni
was
are
playing
always
himself.
line marofying her. So,
Sindhi. And his name was also Vivek Vaswani only in that.
Cindy, yes, I
Are
know.
chediyang. Papar khao
Vivek
ni.
Vas-
They
Correct,
always
I
say
remember
for
that,
da
I
they say
remember
ra
that
and
also.
for ra they say da. In Sindhis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
They put that
And
ni
everything
ni
they say
everywhere,
is,
no?
ye karo ni, wo karo ni. I mean, like, Yes.
Yeah, correct.
But they brought the regional nuances out very well. So
Mm-hmm.
talking about Zaban Samal Ke reminds me, of my college days. I did my college in Hyderabad and I had
Okay.
a full gang of Marwadi, Rajasthani, Lucknowi friends. Okay. I had Marwadi friends, I had Lucknowi friends, and I had Telugu friends.
Yeah.
These girls, these Marwadi, Rajasthani, the Lucknowi girls, they speak impeccable Hindi. So you should see when I go to their house when they are with their family and all, aap and this and that, their Hindi is another level, especially my UP friend, my Lucknowi friend. The minute she comes to college,
Oh.
she switches to Hyderabadi Hindi. I was stunned at the transformation, okay? She would say, I mean, a typical Hyderabadi Hindi, Are nakko re, kai ko re, these kind of things in college. And there you go, दादी माँ आप हमारे लिए जरा सा चाय बनाकर दे देंगे, like that kind of, I used to find it very funny, but I realized that we used to do that in
Madras
childhood
Tamil.
also. At
Oh,
home I
okay,
would
okay,
speak like typical Tamram Tamil, and school mein I would switch to Madras Tamil full time.
So the whole
Time. So
good one. So the whole cast
then
was
suddenly
the
this
funny
incident struck me.
this thing,
So-
the Chaturvedi, the peon. He in the very first episode he is taking class. He comes inside the class, so these people
Yes.
think he has come to teach. So he is commanding everyone. Okay, बैठो, इधर बैठो, उठो, इधर नहीं बैठने का, उधर बैठो. He keeps commanding everyone, and then he cracks one joke also. He says, एक अंग्रेज ने मेरे से पूछा what is दही, तो मैंने बोला milk sleeping night, morning tight.
Oh God, that's a good one. Oh my God, will sleeping night, morning tight. I love that.
And you have
Okay.
this Nairobi person, no?
Interesting.
And the very first class, Mohan Bharti comes and asks him,
Yes.
आप हिंदी बोल सकते हो? Oh, ball, cricket ball. I like kumbal ball very much. What is kumbal? Don't know. He spins very well. Kumble. Yeah.
Oh my God. Pao Kumble, yeah. Nice
Oh
guy.
my God, my God.
But that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh God. That was also a laugh riot, and I think we should seriously
Yeah,
recommend
yeah.
Simpletons to watch it. Maybe
Right?
we
Okay.
should watch it all
But
over
on
again.
YouTube, you have most
I
of
think it's
the
available
all
now again
episodes
on
are
Prime
available
Video
on
also.
YouTube. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, that's what I said. If nothing else, it'll be available on YouTube. So
Yes,
definitely
laugh
we
it
should
off.
be able to, you know.
Lama,
So Simpletons, go ahead, watch
ROFL,
it, have fun.
whatever.
Yes.
Similarly, he asks Vivek Vaswani also. आप बता सकते हैं बोल का
Yes.
मतलब क्या है? He says बोल, Chinese बोल, जिसमें सूप पीते हैं. Yeah.
Oh God, now Chinese
Pot
bowl
meal,
means
yeah.
it's a noodles
You
bowl
can
with
customize it.
with a gravy.
Yeah.
Like pot meal or something, no? It is.
But since it was
Mohan
his
Bharti
first
would have
class,
just
he was
lost
patient.
it big time. Yeah, Jeremy Brown
correct,
also
correct.
had to have Atmos questions, and I'm pretty sure Mohan Bharti would
And
have
then
also had
the
Atmos
Russian,
questions.
Ruski Hindi bhai. He used to say in Hindi Rusi bye bye. And then Mohan Bharti used to say bye bye nahi, bhai bhai. Yeah. And Makhan Singh used to say, अरे यार पाई पाई क्या कर रहा है तू? Yeah.
Makhan Singh was another laugh riot in that whole series. He was too
Yeah.
good. I mean, the typical nasal.
And then in
twang,
one
that
episode,
accent that he
this
had,
one,
and, you know, he was
Dikshit's mood is
amazing.
very bad.
Really, really.
She
good.
just comes to the classroom and she says, तुम उनसे सवाल पूछो मैं उनको mark करूँगी. Like
okay.
she'll give them marks, whatever. Then they start with some, like how they irritate Miss Courtney. These people also. Then she says, मैंने कहा ना मेरा मूड बहुत खराब है मुझसे ऐसे सब बात मत करो.
Yes.
मोहन तुम सवाल पूछो. Then he says, एक तालाब है उसके बीच में एक डंडा है
Oh
और
God.
उसके ऊपर एक मुर्गा बैठा है. तो देन यस मुगाबो आप समझ गए ना. हाँ तो ये सेस यस एक डंडा है एंड उसके पॉन्ड है उसके ऊपर बीच में एक डंडा है और उसके ऊपर मुर्गा बैठा. तो देन मोहन भारती अगर मुर्गा अंडा देगा तो कहाँ गिरेगा.
Murga.
तो वन पर्सन सेस हाँ
Oh
तालाब
God.
में गिरेगा. He says गलत जवाब.
Trust.
देन वन पर्सन सेस वो एकदम वो विजू कोटे. ही सेस अगर वो एकदम जोर से ये करके देगा तो वो बाहर जाके लैंड में गिरेगा. जमीन पे गिरेगा.
Oh God.
Then
God.
Tom he asks
I
Tom
think I
Alter.
know where he's headed, but
Yeah.
continue.
Tom Alter was so good. He says now सबने जवाब
Yeah,
दे दिया.
that
वन
guy was
नीचे
very
नहीं
good.
गिरेगा इधर नहीं गिरेगा उधर. सो ही सेस ऑल डायरेक्शन तो आपने गलत है आंसर बोल दिया तो अभी ऊपर गिरेगा. Then he
Oh,
asks this one Shubha Kote.
Oh God.
Sorry Dikshit, Principal Dikshit. हाँ. So she says शायद वो बालिक है
हाँ,
और वो
Sneha
अंडा
Lata
नहीं
Dikshit,
दे
yes.
सकता है. तो मोहन भट्टी हाँ शायद मुर्गे
my
की शादी ही
God.
नहीं हुई है तो अंडा कैसे देगा.
Oh my God.
He is so irritated.
Nice. Oh.
So
I know,
nobody gives
by
the
then
correct
you'd have just
answer.
lost
So you
his
know the right
patience.
answer, I think. Correct.
Yeah, मुर्गा कैसा अंडा
हाँ,
देता?
yeah.
मुर्गी तो अंडा देते. I had a feeling he was
God.
getting there. Okay. This is a really good one. This is
Ah.
a good one. And every would have got. I think Nikshit's
Yeah.
mood would have got better after that. Oh God, these are all some really nice incidents from that. But this brings us to another, favorite topic
Yeah.
of
No,
ours.
no.
How
All South Indians are
pronounce
Madrasis
Hindi
for
and how
North Indians. In
pronounce,
common. First of
Tamilian
all.
terms. Yeah, yes. आप कहाँ से हो? आप मद्रासी हो? Okay, fine, I am a Madrasi. That's a different
Yeah,
issue.
they lose
But
it,
what
na?
I'm saying is, when Malayalis and Telugus and
हम
Kannadis
मद्रासी
hear it,
नहीं
they
है,
just
we are
lose
from
it big
Kerala,
time
we are
because
from
they say we
Andhra.
are not Tamilians, we are.
But क्या है, सब
you know,
एक ही
we
है
are,
for them. Like in two
हाँ.
states, Amrita Singh used to say.
Yeah.
She always said, no, सब एक ही है मद्रासी.
Yes. Yeah. Correct.
हाँ, yeah.
No, even that Neena
Kannadiga.
Gupta Jackie Shroff movie ना, he'll say मैं कन्नड़ हूँ. He'll say मैं कन्नड़ हूँ. नहीं, मद्रासी ना, some same.
That's all.
ना.
All
नहीं,
are
कन्नडिगा.
Madrasis.
अरे मद्रासी. She'll just say मद्रासी. That's the end of it. Okay. Yeah. But the best is, you know, they come up to us very enthusiastically and this and that, and they come and tell us, अरे मद्रासी तुम लोग का खाना इतना अच्छा है. Your food is so good यार. They say, you know, we love South Indian food. Every Sunday in my house is only South Indian food. Sunday lunch we all look forward to because of South Indian food.
Idli,
What
dosa,
South Indian food?
dosa,
Can you
sambar.
say some names?
What that also
Dosa,
so much
sambar.
This thing on it.
Dosa, sambar.
Yeah, sambar.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like some motorcycle starting or something. You know,
Have pity on those
Dosa,
words.
dosa
It's like
and sambar. Please, you know, please. I mean, please have pity on us who are listening to it and say dosai. Okay, dosai you can't say, at least say dosa and say sambar. Not
What about
dosa
mendu
and
vada?
sambar. Dosa and sambar, please.
medu
guys.
vada.
Mendu vada. It's not mendu vada, it's just medu vada.
Yeah.
Medu vada. To distinguish it from dal vada, that's all. Medu vada is the one with the hole. Okay, dal vada is the other one. But mendu vada, that is one. And you know,
Udupi.
and then they'll say, Arey yaar, you know, yesterday we had a very good
Udupi.
breakfast. Where did you go?
Yes.
Udupi hotel. It's not Udupi, it's Udupi. Please, for heaven's sake.
Uh-huh.
There's a very nice reel by Priya Mani on this, because after she did Family Man, she was doing these reels on how
Yes.
North Indians pronounce these South Indian words and how she gets vexed. I think we'll just put that up here.
Some of the things that South Indians are really tired to hear. I love sambar. 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 You can pair it the best with mendu vada. Say that again. Mendu vada? You mean medu vada?
It's the same, right?
No.
In Mumbai, there are lots of Udupi restaurants where you get authentic South Indian
Yeah,
food.
yo. Say that again.
Udupi restaurants.
Udupi. Udupi. Udu. Not Udi.
Udupi.
Okay,
Okay, never mind. But I think we had a really good meal today at this Udupi restaurant.
Udupi. 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 Udupi.
So similarly, can we roast the North Indians now?
Yes.
Or
yes,
South Indians?
take over.
We'll roast the South
Yeah,
Indians
roast
now.
the South Indians. How they speak the
Yeah.
Let's take over.
अय्यो क्या जी क्यों जी ऐसा करता जी But we don't actually speak like this, right?
Yeah, we don't. So funnily, our Hindi, I'm not saying we don't have accented Hindi, but I think we can speak very decent Hindi, okay? So, okay, sorry, again, one more incident
good.
suddenly came to mind. You know, in Kapil Sharma show, Kamal comes, you know, and Kamal knows everything, right?
Yeah,
he's
yeah,
learned
yeah.
Hindi, he's learned Telugu, he's learned Kannada, Malayalam. He's learned everything. And ventriloquism, say like, to playing the mridangam, to, you know, prosthetic
Dance.
makeup, he has learned everything.
Ah,
Yeah, dance. I mean, he is Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathak,
everything.
Kathakali, everything he knows.
Yes.
Another level he is. So he tells Kapil, for the last 30 years I've been, learning only. And Kapil Sharma claps and says, "Wow, kya baat." I mean,
Yeah.
Kapil always speaks in Hindi, right? He says, "Kya baat hai, sir? My God, sir, आपको देखे हम बड़े हुए, हम इतने inspirational
Yeah.
You're so आप इतने inspirational है. हमें बहुत इंस्पायर हुआ. आपको देख के हमको लगता था छोटे उम्र में कि एक्टिंग करना है. एंड कमल इज लाइक, ये हमेशा आप क्या बोलते रहते हैं, आपको देख के बड़े हुए, आपको देख के इंस्पायर हुए, ये क्या स्थापित करना चाहते हैं कि हम बहुत बूढ़े हैं, स्थापित करना चाहते हैं. आई मीन दैट्स वेरी
Yes.
heavy Hindi,
Yeah.
but that's the correct Hindi. He's saying, what are you trying
Yeah,
to,
correct.
you know, establish here? what are you implying? मतलब आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं?
politically
typical
correct.
response, but yeah, But what I'm trying to say, he's not doing this
Ah.
"Ayo, kya ji" and all
No one
that.
talks like this, but when they imitate us on screen, the silver screen, they always do this. Ayya, bhaiya ji.
This was started by Mahmood, right? He's
Yeah,
the one who started this imitation of, you know,
yeah. He is Tamilian. Johnny Lever is Tamilian.
yeah.
But no, Johnny Lever, yeah, he
No,
is.
Johnny
He
Lever
is. Ah,
Tamil or Telugu?
Tamil
Okay.
or Hyderabad.
Anyway,
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, whatever.
But
I
Johnny
think
Lever
Mahmood
also knows
yeah,
Tamil,
from
I think.
partly. Yeah. So they are the ones who started, this whole thing. But let's roast about how Tamilians speak
Yeah.
Hindi. Now let's say how, Tamilians like to talk about Hindi
Yeah,
food items.
brota. Gurma.
Brota, gurma. Yeah. So while the meals are phenomenal, the lunchtime you get the South Indian meals, night you get all these snacks.
Yeah.
Which is idli, dosa and all. And you go and ask them, where ennaga irukku? What else do you have? They'll say brota,
Biryani.
gurma.
Biryani.
Brota.
Biryani.
Biryani.
Ah.
Biryani.
Ah,
Biryani.
And you know this paneer.
Biryani.
Sir, paneer dish irka, sir.
Paneer. Yeah, it's not paneer, it's paneer.
Rose water.
Paneer
Yes.
is rose water. This is paneer.
And then one more is chenna masala. They say chenna masala. They don't say chana masala. अभी क्यों? अरे चन्ना नहीं है वो. हाँ.
Chenna masala in Kannada chenna means
हाँ,
nice. Chenna
chenna
masala
ಗಿದೆ,
means nice
yeah.
masala, is it or what? Chenna ಗಿದೆ. Oh my god. And then they'll say sukka
Roti.
roti. Sukka roti. What they mean
Yeah.
is dry full cast without ghee. And they'll say sukka roti rendu podunga. I mean, they'll say please give 2 sukka rotis. I'm like, sukka roti? Give me a break, yaar. I mean, can't you just say fulka without ghee?
Chapati. Ah. They used to stress on all these words.
Yeah, chapati. Oh my god.
There was one in the drama
It's
where Kamal Hassan, Crazy Mohan, Madhu Balaji, where they used to say, இன்னைக்கு என்ன சாப்பாடுல அப்படின்னா they used to say அபளம். அப்பளம்னு அழுத்தி சொல்லுன்னு அழுத்தி சொன்னா நொறுங்கிடும்.
sorry. I know.
அபளம்.
Abalam. Appalam. Sonna norgidom. Oh god. I mean, that's another combination. We have to go on to Crazy Mohan dramas once.
Oh
just
my God,
his dialogues and dramas. We should do one podcast on that.
Yeah.
He was another level. So he was another level.
Missed,
Unfortunately,
yeah,
one more guy who's really missed.
All his dialogues are like spot on, no? Like you cannot, you have to laugh. You invariably you laugh.
Yeah, and the Kamal Hassan movies for which he wrote dialogues like Tenali, Pammal Sambandham, then Panchatantra, Michael Madana Kamarajan. Every time I see I get a new laugh and I start laughing. And he never used to go to the sets, okay? He would just write the dialogue and give it without even going to the sets.
Yes,
I mean,
yes.
that level of talent he had.
Yeah. Janu, that Madhu Balaji and Maithili.
Janaki, Maithili Janaki. And then always Maitreyi, Seshu, he would always get. So suddenly now, since we come back to movies, you know how badly Tamilians can speak Hindi. Have you seen Vijay talking Hindi in the last scene of Tuppaki?
Oh, I don't remember, but I've seen.
Let's put that clipping here just to show when, we get emotional
Yes.
how we can murder Hindi. Just like we are putting
Yeah,
up
one on
Priya
this
Mani's,
also.
let's
Correct,
put up
correct.
one of this also. This reel also.
Yeah.
It's been the subject of comedy also. Even R. Ashwin has done that comedy along with one of the
Oh,
stand-up.
okay.
सुनो तुम्हारे मालिक ने मुझे हाथ बांध के मारा खोलने को बोला तो सोच रहे हैं तूने मेरा हाथ तोड़ा और तेरे साथ इतने लोग हैं फिर भी तो डर रहे हैं ना அந்த பாயா இருக்கணும்டா
These North Indians, they make fun of South Indian languages, like why it is all gol jalebi. They say that, no?
So all my North Indian friends used to say that when you speak your language and I speak, your family and all speaking, it feels like you put some stones in one empty steel box and you're, just rattling it.
Yeah, they say no, andu gundu tanda pani.
Andugundu. Okay.
They always say that.
Andugundu, they always
When
say
we don't speak andu gundu, or maybe we don't realize.
Yes. It's surprising why they find it so tough, but I know enough number of North Indians who have learned Tamil
Arey, nowadays,
so well,
in
Tamil,
Chennai,
Hindi,
yeah,
and others.
all those
Tamil, Telugu.
Marwadis and all those who are doing business, they
Yes.
speak Tamil so well.
Yes.
They have learned the
Yes.
Tirukkural also. Arey, we as Tamilians may not know,
and,
but they have learnt it. And they speak very good Tamil.
Actor Jiva is a Rajasthani Marwadi. His father is a producer. Can you believe it?
Very good.
And he is
Yeah.
a Tamil hero, Tamil film
Correct.
hero. I mean, what's the big deal in that, right? Tom Alter, who comes that he can't speak
Yeah.
a word in Zaban Samal Ke, he could read and write
Hindi,
and speak
very good, yes,
impeccable
yes.
Hindi and Urdu. Just because he wanted to be in India and act here, he learned Hindi and
Yeah,
Urdu
correct.
reading and writing. He was better than most, Urdu scholars. So, okay, finally he had to come down to that role, but he could speak excellent Hindi, excellent
Yeah.
Urdu, and read and write also.
Correct.
So, even T.M. Soundararajan,
Ah,
they're all the
Amma.
Saurashtrians, no? Who settled, but his Tamil was unbeatable, right? Another level. The way he would sing for Shivaji Ganeshan and MGR, and the kind of, especially in those olden days, the songs,
Yeah.
Tamil was very tough. Right? It's
Yes,
a Tamil that they used to sing, and
Amma.
especially those mythological movies.
Yeah.
He would sing impeccably.
And Shivaji Ganeshan
Isn't
used to
it?
act as if
So-
he was the one singing. He is another level.
So T.M. Soundarajan has gone on record on an interview to say, whenever I sing, I would find out which of them is singing, and it should sound that their atma is inside me, and they are making me sing. So I would try to sing in their respective voices.
So this is the difference between those times singers and today's singers. Today's singers, they don't bother.
Yes. But they sing
Yeah,
in
yeah.
multiple languages. Have you noticed? They sing. I think they just write down everything in Hindi or English and then sing it.
Tamil. Yeah. Shreya Ghoshal has sung so many.
Jonita Gandhi sings only Tamil songs.
Yeah. Even Sadhna Sargam in those days itself. Lata Mangeshkar has also.
Yeah, Lata Mangeshkar, Asha Bhosle, Udit Narayan, you name it, they've all sung Tamil songs.
But Udit Narayan you can easily make out.
No, even Lata Mangeshkar, that accent is was a little wonky. But I have to say this: the North Indians who sing Tamil sing R and L much better than the Tamil singers.
I agree.
Like you hear, I mean, even a Shruti Hassan or an Anirudh or others singing Tamil.
No, they
They
can't.
can't say R or L.
Yes. Even though that alphabet is not
know.
there in Hindi or English.
They're in their
How do
language.
they say it?
Yes. Okay, probably, being in Mumbai, they're aware
Marathi,
of L,
yes.
because L is a part of Marathi, but
Tamil,
R
yes.
is exclusive to Tamil and Malayalam,
Yeah.
right? It's exclusive to Tamil and Malayalam. I don't think that alphabet is there in any other language. And how they
Yeah.
pronounce and sing it so beautifully, we really have to give them a big,
Actually, people staying
clap
in
for
Tamil
this.
Nadu, they speak as if they are from North
Yes.
India. They want to sound so stylish in Tamil.
That reminds me of another movie incident. I think you will have to stop me at some time, but right now I'll say this. So you remember Tenali, that movie? They
Yes.
are going to interview Jairam, but they end up interviewing Kamal.
Yeah.
That scene, okay, because on the patient it better இருக்கும் and this and that. And then Kamal, starts crying, and then he says he's like my god and all that. And then finally he says, oh god, cha, asingama kapil dev mari alara screen la, he said. And then he says, can I ask you something? She asks him, what do you want? The one who's in. She says, when you were coming and, we were all coming in the van and everything, you were talking nalla vadivana Tamil. You were talking in very good Tamil. But when you're talking to me, you're talking at anger, ipidi, eppo. Is it for, why are you putting on such an accent for media? And everybody laughs. And they keep it in the interview,
Laughing,
and the
yes.
entire audience is laughing, watching
Correct.
that. So like
Yeah.
that, this put on accent, is...
Why South Indian languages are this round, you know that? There is a reason for that.
Please tell me. I would love to know.
Okay. So, South Indian languages use more of vowels.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah. And they were written on palm leaves. And they were written with a
Okay.
metal stylus. So, they were so delicate
Oh.
that the leaves should not tear. So, they made it like this goal.
Oh.
Yeah.
Round and
Whereas
round.
North
Interesting.
Indians,
Okay,
they
okay.
wrote on the Himalayan birch trees bark. So that is why they have more of the standing lines.
Okay. So it's
Ah,
easier to scratch on the bark and give a. That's a very interesting thing. Okay, simpletons.
yeah.
Nice to hear
So I
something very
found this.
interesting like this.
Thought I should share this. Yeah.
We should keep this for good tip. I mean,
हम
good
ज्ञान
point
बांट
that
रहे
you
हैं,
shared.
ज्ञान
Really nice.
बांट
We
रहे
should keep this in mind. ज्ञान बांट रहे all the time. As much. So the more you share knowledge, the more you
Yeah.
increases. So we keep sharing knowledge so that we increase. Anyway, so good. So
Yes.
we did our language topic. And what else are we
So-
planning for today?
So the funny topic.
Yes,
So
let's go
what
to the
do
funny
we do?
topic.
Since we are doing Hindi, let's do something connected to that. Let's do Hindi ads.
Some ads are completely
Yes.
hilarious, no doubts about it. Nirma ad that we see all the time.
Yes.
Prema, Rekha, Jaya,
Jaya
Sushma,
और सुषमा
सबकी
सबकी
पसंद
पसंद
Nirma.
निर्मा. Then the Lifebuoy ad, the evergreen Lifebuoy ad.
And then the Santoor ads. Mummy, ये तुम्हारी मम्मी है. मैंने सोचा था कि ये कॉलेज की लड़की है.
हाँ.
Just because you're using Santoor.
good.
Wow, I love it.
Even we should have tried Santoor.
But the worst is, that Navaratna Tel ad where Amitabh Bachchan, Govinda and all turn up. Chill,
I have
cool,
I have a joke
Navaratna
on
Tel.
that
I
also.
mean,
Navratna Tel.
yes.
Navratna
yes, share
Tel.
it.
Amitabh Bachchan is crazy. He first asks you to win money in Kaun Banega Crorepati. Then he asks you to buy gold at Kalyan Jewellers. Later mortgage it in
Okay.
Muthoot Finance. And then when tension बढ़ गया और
Okay.
loan pay करना है, use Navratna Tel.
Oh my god, he's doing a full circle of ads. Oh my god, that's a good one.
Because I knew this Navratna Tel will come somewhere in our conversation.
It has to
And
come.
then that one, center fruit. KCG.
And the gems ad. Everywhere they're going and pulling out the gems and the entire gems falls off. I haven't understood the purpose of that ad till now. I know you like gems, but there's no need to pull it from there. Just go,
Yeah.
give 10 rupees
And the
buy it now.
yummy poppins. Doom kya?
Yummy poppins.
That bacha says, no, doom kya? And then he gives a poppin.
And then the Lux. I don't know how they get so many things to do for Lux.
Yeah, they must be paying them. So then there was this Bajaj light. जब मैं छोटा लड़का
हाँ.
था बड़ी शरारत करता था मेरी चोरी पकड़ी जाती.
Just रोशनी लाता बजाज. जब मैं बिल्कुल बूढ़ा हूँ गोली खाकर दी जा.
खाकर जीता हूँ
लेकिन
फिर भी आज के घर के अंदर
रोशनी लाता
रोशन देता
बजाज.
बजाज.
Oh my god, that was a
Yeah.
complete laugh riot in terms of ads. That was
See, these
absolutely
things are etched in our memories.
ridiculous to say the least. Yeah, these are all
Forget, you
things
cannot
that we
forget.
can never,
They are so catchy. And then you remember that Pan Parag wala, Pan Parag? Ashok Kumar used to come and there was a marriage and his wife, then Shammi Kapoor comes.
Oh god.
Then he gives him Pan Parag and he says, एक से
Yeah.
हमारा क्या होगा? Then he gives one full
I know.
strip.
And he'll say, 12 का तो
हाँ.
स्वागत पान पराग से कीजिए. पान पराग हमें क्या मालूम आप भी पान पराग शौकीन. ये लीजिए पान पराग. I mean, just because you have to repeat
10
pan
times.
parag, you don't need to say it in a sentence 20 times. Not to
Pan
make up the whole
parag,
set.
pan masala.
Absolutely one of the silly. And now it's there's this big pan parag where Akshay Kumar comes and there's
Yeah.
a big hue and cry. No? You're a fitness guy. How can you do an ad for pan parag and things like that? And the ads that I hated the most was that Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew.
Yeah, you drink Mountain Dew, you can
Yeah.
you can motorcycle down.
Then you can
Burj
do
Khalifa.
all dangerous things. Then you can go for X Factor, everything.
Yeah, Hrithik Roshan, Mahesh Babu, the works, everybody's done for them. and Sprite had
Okay.
a take on that. Sprite is very good for the hair, and when ladies taking a bath and everything, and then her hair is all messy because she's put Sprite. And Spot Boy or whatever says, लोगों को पैसे दे दो कुछ भी बोल जाते हैं.
Sprite clear hai. That one thing, that tagline,
Sprite
Sprite clear hai. And then Javed Jafri's Maggie ketchup. It's different. Only punchline. It's different.
And that bingo mad angles.
Tede Mede also. Bingo. When you say mad angles and
They one science experiment is
हाँ.
going on for that bingo mad angles. Instead of doing all these ads, you know, that full packet of that bingo or lays or something, itna bada puffed up packet, and you see finally the chips are only so much.
hardly
Either
anything
you
else.
make the packet smaller or make more chips. Spend the money on that
They're
rather
filling
than
it with
spending on
air.
this.
So we are paying for that.
Yes.
Yeah. There was one on this cello pen, where it's going on. The flow is so good that his wife has just given birth to a child, and then he says, "आप अपने बच्चे का नाम क्या रखोगे?" So then he starts writing, Balammal. Then he goes on, Balammal, Velammal, Kelammal. Goes on. I said, 10
my
10
God,
page he
it's like
goes
a
on
huge
writing. इसका फ्लो इतना अच्छा है that आप लिखते
नाम
रहेंगे.
है कि पूरा पता टाइप. ये नाम है कि पूरा पता types.
There was one ad. Wait, let me see.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
that's also
there.
very. Yeah, we were talking about funny ads, but I think the best ads, the best ever ads
Yes,
have
yes,
been
yes,
Amul.
yes. They're catchy taglines.
Like Express up next press, Amul put us on bread. Like when Donald Trump, won. Put us is POTUS, no, President of the
POTUS,
United States. They keep saying POTUS, right?
Oh.
So that was a take on that.
I think how can they get such nice
And
taglines?
when Quincy Jones died, You Were the World. He was
We are the
responsible for producing
world.
that We Are the World, now USA for Africa.
So it was on Virat Kohli. We are at the top. VI apostrophe R at the top. And Amul best in
Okay.
quality. Quality.
Oh
So
my
quality.
God, quality.
KOHLITY.
Superb.
And then
superb.
this Mohammad Shami finals. Amul bowls you over. Shami
a very
finals.
nice one.
Yeah. Then there was one on Dr. Kurian. Yeah, you have to
of
mention
course,
him
always.
when we talk about Amul. So
Yes.
this was उन्होंने हम सबको आनंद दिया. Celebrating Dr. Kurian's 102nd birth
My
anniversary.
God. So just Diwali got over. Here's to sweet meats. Sweet meats, as in
Yeah.
meetings. MEETS. Okay. Happy
Oh.
Dishwali Diwali.
Then there is this Amul topical. Khas Garba after UNESCO adds the folk dance to the representative list. Khas Garba. Amul and Indian heritage.
Khas. Oh, and even for Karwa Chauth. Perfect way to break fast.
Oh,
Amul from sunrise to moonrise.
I mean, how do they think of this? So innovative.
I don't know who their ad guys are, but I think big time clap for, Amul. I mean, I follow Amul on social media only so that I can see the ads every day. It's amazing.
Yeah.
After seeing it, I see it in the newspaper also. I love it. But I still keep following them on social media for this.
This one is good. Makhan Sankranti. Amul fly high.
That's a nice one. Makkan Chakrati. But really, I mean, I think, Amul on whatever, social media, Facebook, Insta, I mean, the works, they put up their ads every day. And I look forward to, opening my social media.
And it's so
checking out
appropriate.
the ads over there. It's
Timely,
so good.
yeah.
So timely, so timely.
And then there was one ad on this Uttarkashi tunnel workers. Major rescue, minor miracle.
Oh, is it? Okay.
MINER. Yeah, Amul khao din yara.
Oh.
Yeah, Amul khao din yara.
So you remember the song Enja Me, that these songs suddenly hit so many million views and it became a big news. So enjoy to it. Enjoy to it.
Oh.
Amul, the best butter. DHEE. Singer the best butter. So after seeing this ad, I went to see what the song is. But good. So I think we covered Amul, we covered funny ads. Wow, we covered a lot of ground, today.
Yes, Chubbs, now it's your turn. Give us some tips, hacks.
So there are two hacks. One is, of course, the most important. I always say, we always do that. Now, we prioritize health over everything else, right? Of course, clean diet and everything. Dieting, we will come. Types of diet we'll cover in another podcast completely and do a roast on that. That's a different issue. But what is important is your daily dose of exercise. Whatever you do, be it a walk, be it yoga, be it strength, be it, aerobics, be it dance, be it Zumba, whatever. Normally,
correct.
everybody tries to schedule the workout around the activities. Ideally, do it the other way around. Schedule your workout first
that's
and
one.
schedule your activities around it. You
Yes,
will never miss a single day of work. Keep a specific time and place. Ideally, if you're going to the gym, then ideally same time. I know it may not happen every day, but at least 4-5 days a week. Walking, again, ideally try to do the same time. Morning walks, of course, are the best. I mean, every
Yes,
doctor
yes.
would swear by a morning walk. Yes, but apart from walks, like walks are good. They give you cardio, they give you fresh air, but try to get in some exercise. So mild to moderate exercise is recommended for everybody
Correct.
at least 3 to 4 times. And then there are freaks like us who do 45 minutes or 1 hour per day, but
Yeah.
that's a different issue. So that let's not get into that. But ideally, don't try to do 3 to 4 times a week. Try to do 7 days a week, because if you schedule a time and a place and a designated workout, and work all your activities around that, you will never miss a workout.
Yeah, it's like building a habit.
Yes, it's like building a habit. So schedule your activities around your workout. Do not schedule your workout around your activities. You're bound to fail.
Like any other routine, make it a routine. Make this also a daily routine. Like you're eating, sleeping.
Exactly. Like a lot of people say, I didn't exercise today, tomorrow I'll do half an hour extra. That doesn't work. I didn't eat today, I'll eat 2 meals extra. Does that work on your system?
No. Okay. So simpletons heed Chirp's advice and follow it.
and the second is a very simple organizing hack. Okay, very simple organizing hack, especially for women. Okay, moms
Okay.
out there, simpletons.
Great.
We like to have, of course, in all saris nowadays, most of the saris come with their own blouses and everything. But we also like to do a lot of mix and match with other colors, plain color blouses, maybe, all these.
Yeah, nowadays we wear contrast.
Ajrak blouses, kalamkari blouses, the works, right? So ideally,
Correct,
when you have all these extra blouses that you have, try to stack them color-wise. Okay, in your cupboard.
Oh,
So you know
okay.
that, if you
That's
want
a
to
good hack.
wear this color blouse for a sari, you have 4 choices and you know which one will best suit that sari. Like you're wearing a red sari, but you want to wear a blue blouse. You'll have a blue ajrak, a blue kalamkari, maybe a plain blue blouse, or maybe a blue printed blouse. Right? All of that. Okay.
Correct.
Now, I know the question is going to be, if it's red and blue mix, what do you do? Put it between the red and blue. That's the easiest way to organize it. But jokes apart, similarly, dupattas, leggings, jeans, plain kurtas or whatever, if you stack it color-wise, it becomes so much easier to just pick and wear. Even if you hardly have time to, pick your outfit and wear it, this becomes a very easy way to pick up matching outfits and wear them.
Yeah, that's a very good hack.
So,
Very good tip. Thanks, Chirps. We are going.
Yes.
I am going to follow
and
it.
talking of
Whatever.
hacks, I did your hack of the Ashgard. Superb. Okay, I didn't wait for 10 days, but I took me about a week to complete using the Ashgard, and it was perfect. Every time I rewrapped it back and took it out again.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah.
It was
Only
as
that
fresh,
first
right?
soft
Yeah.
part kind of went, but that will always go. The inside part was absolutely as fresh as ever. Because if I put it in a
Intact.
freezer or I boil it, it becomes a little, it loses its moisture. Here it had not lost the moisture. It was superb hack.
Yeah.
And now Quizmaster.
The quiz master, you have one
No,
quiz,
there
right?
is one quiz by the
This
master
time.
of masters.
Oh, okay. Can you guess, simpletons, who is the
The
master?
master from whom we started all of this. He has put up a quiz, which has become viral on WhatsApp video.
Yeah. Yes. So from the horse's
Yes.
mouth.
So let's
Direct.
put up this quiz
Try
by
and do
Shashi
it.
Tharoor and let's see how you enjoy it. We enjoyed every minute of it.
Yeah.
The master himself, Mr. Shashi Tharoor, let's see his quiz here and enjoy it.
Yeah. So continuing with our Engaloda Engaloria.
That's a nice one. Engaloda Engaloria.
I'm Shashi Tharoor and it's World Dictionary Day today. The Quint wants to test you on a few words that you might want to add to your vocabulary without even bothering to look up the dictionary. And if you don't know the answers, don't worry. This is not an exercise in floccinauci nihilipilification. What's the meaning of floccinauci nihilipilification? Floccinauci nihilipilification. Floccinauci nihilipilification is the act of estimating something or someone as worthless. So when I published my book, The Paradoxical Prime Minister, criticizing Mr. Modi and his government, I said this is more than just a 500-page exercise in floxinose inhaler purification. What's the meaning of defenestrate? It means to throw out of the window, and it's used to imply rejection. You defenestrate someone, you kick them out of the room, you kick them out of a job, they defenestrate. What's the meaning of agathocacological? Agathocacological. Agathocacological means to be made up of both good and bad elements. So someone who is a complex individual, who perhaps shows great compassion in one minute and great violence in the other, you could say Tipu Sultan was an agathocacological leader. What's the meaning of Panglossian? Panglossian means relentlessly optimistic, even unrealistically so, stupidly optimistic. Someone who believes, as in the character Pangloss in Voltaire's play Candide, that all is always for the best in this best of all possible worlds. What's the meaning of quatch? C-W-T-C-H, quatch. A quatch is a hug, but it's a very special hug. It's a Welsh word which has come into English because it describes a hug that is everything, that embodies a mother's hugging a child, a husband hugging a wife, a teenager in love hugging his adolescent crush. It's a compound of affection, of intimacy, of joy, of belonging. Quatch.
Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, hope you enjoyed the quiz by the master himself.
Yes.
So moving on, chirps, what's the next topic?
Yeah, you tell us, no, it's a trending topic.
Yeah, trending topic. I think everyone knows. Does everyone know who Jaya Kishori is?
So, to be honest, I had to do a little bit of Googling to find out about her. But my God, she's a social media influencer, means Jaya Kishori. Yaar. She's got some millions and millions of hit on YouTube and motivational speaker and whatnots.
Obviously, she is talking about religion. So
Yeah.
there are so many people, they relate and they like blindly follow her.
Yes.
And she has been trained to do this from the age of 7. Can you imagine?
My God, I can. Yeah, that's okay. That's a tough one to imagine, but
She was trained by her father and she has been doing this from the age of
7.
7.
absolutely.
And she has appeared on these shows also.
Okay.
And she appears on almost every podcast.
Really? Okay.
And she charges a huge sum for appearing on these
Yes.
podcasts also.
Not only that, apparently she gets a lot of money from ad revenue on her YouTubes and her own videos also.
Yeah. Plus, on her website itself, she sells so many items.
Yes.
So she is earning from that also.
Yes. But the thing is, she is not in the news for that. What is she in the news for actually?
She is in the news for something else actually. So, so basically, to give an idea, what she does, she is a kathavachak.
Yes.
Okay, what is a kathavachak? She talks about Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Mahabharata,
Yes.
or all these
Religious discourses. Yes.
all these scriptures and all.
Yes.
And she has been trained by her father only.
Right.
And she keeps saying, गाय को पशु मत कहिए गाय हमारी माता है.
Oh, okay, okay.
So why people got offended? What is she in the news for? Relates to this.
Yes.
So she was seen at the airport with the Christian Dior bag,
Yes.
which is worth 2.5 lakhs.
Yes. I heard.
And it was a customized bag, and once it is customized, it costs around 4 lakhs.
My God.
And it uses Nepal leather or cow leather from the cow.
My God. And she say, guy is Mata, and then she's using a leather bag.
Huh.
And it is customized with her initials and whatever, right? Basically, something like that.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
But doesn't she also tell everybody lead a simple life and, do things like that?
No, what she says, धन है तो बांट दो.
हाँ.
ये क्यों नहीं बांट रही है, खुद क्यों नहीं
No, but
बांट रही है.
apparently 40% she does for charity. That's what they claim. So I'm not sure.
That is all fake.
Yeah.
There-
Yeah, ye to khud nahi, and that's what. So she was trolled saying she's not living a simple life, and she claims that it is not. They customized it for. She said, "I'm earning. Why can't I spend it?" And this was customized for me without using leather.
हाँ,
Is what she claims.
इतना मैं कह सकती हूँ, मैं इतना गारंटी दे
Yeah,
सकती हूँ.
that's what she
हाँ.
claims.
Which Christian Dior bag doesn't use leather and
Exactly.
bag?
I
My God.
Yeah, I know.
And I don't know why are people so foolish to follow these people.
Here, I really want to state. I mean,
So have you seen the crowd she
there
attracts?
is a rise, of babas and sadhvis and people. Why are people running behind that? I haven't
They're
understood.
flocking. Yeah.
So many of them, and why are they running behind? I mean, just go to YouTube, yeah, you'll get 100 discourses on Bhagavad Gita. I mean, when I'm talking about 100 is simple, one. You want to go into it, millions and millions of discourses are there. Why do you need to follow some,
You have actual saints who do these things.
Yes.
Huh.
You really have actual sense. And Katha Pravachan karke, social media influencer she has become, and there are so many people who actually do Katha Pravachan, right? Kada
Yeah.
Kalakshepam, as we call it.
Yeah, like they have been trained. They have that knowledge.
Yes. And they've read
These
studied
people-
the scriptures, and after that only they
Yeah.
come and, tell it. So I know
Yeah.
she's been trained, but for so much, I mean, this much hoo-ha, I'm not able to imagine it.
So this is basically her business and her marketing
Must.
strategies.
Yes.
So she considers this her business.
Yeah, I know. Livelihood, business, whatever you call it. So,
Yeah.
anyway.
And she tells others, धन है तो बांट दो.
Live a simple life. गाय को पशु मत बोलो. गाय हमारी माँ है. And
माँ है.
and-
All this nonsense.
okay, whether she has leather in that bag or not is not something I would like to comment. But at least follow what you preach, yaar, please.
They don't practice
What they
we
preach.
preach.
Yeah.
They only preach.
Yeah.
Practice is for you.
Our practice is for
Take
us.
up.
I agree.
Yeah. If you want to, you do. There is one more boy, this boy, Abhinav Arora.
Yes. I've heard about
He's, he was also in the news
Okay.
recently.
Okay.
He's been doing this from the age of 9.
Okay.
This female, she has been doing this from the age of 7. People flock to her, I think because all the other reason is she is good looking.
Yes. Yeah,
The other
exactly.
reason.
Obviously. So.
Yeah. And she's not a great singer and all, but they say she sings well, bhajans and all these things. But this Abhinav Arora is like now also 10 years old. He's still doing this, but he was lately in the news for... there was an interview
Okay.
where they call this bacha only, no?
bacha.
10 saal. What? Why are the parents forcing him to do these things? They have given him a script. ये पढ़ा क्या? इतना learn किया क्या?
Good.
And then he was called on this interview
Okay.
where the journalist is asking him, Krishna का मतलब क्या है? So boy is fumbling. He doesn't know what to say. It's not there in the script. पीछे से his father is telling him, कष्ट हरने वाला.
Oh God, that's sad.
और वो भी सही मतलब नहीं दिया.
I know, it's very sad. Very sad. Krishna actually means
Poor-
dark, to be honest.
Dark,
Yeah, Krishna
yes.
actually means dark, which
Huh.
any simpom who does religion like us would know. So,
Obviously.
okay. Even Draupadi was called Krishna with double A because she was dark.
Yes.
Right.
Krishna is Krishna.
Yeah, Krishna. So,
हाँ.
but yeah, this is, I don't know why parents have to push their kids, do such things.
और बच्चा है उसको बच्चे जैसा रहने दो.
No, natural talent
Leave the
kids
child.
I'm okay with, right? If they are natural talent, but don't push a child when they are not naturally talented.
Yeah, they're forcing him.
Yeah,
No?
very sad.
Poor thing.
I,
He doesn't have a life. He doesn't have a life only.
yes, exactly.
That's what I'm saying. And you've seen him. He's so roly-poly.
Yeah, I was just googling to see his photos. He's really nice, cute, chubby, and roly-poly. I saw
Yeah.
that. I just hope that that Krishna Bhagwan only grants him his childhood back.
Pavam. Yeah. I really feel pavam for him.
I agree. Absolute power. Oh,
So simpletons, don't go to such people for pravachan and
Please.
all these things.
Please.
For religious orators, please don't go to them.
agreed. Please.
Please go to genuine people
And there
if
is
you want to learn.
enough stuff on YouTube. Okay, there are enough
YouTube
good
or
people.
go to Chinmaya
Yes,
Mission. Yeah.
best.
That's the
Best
best
place
place
to learn.
where you can learn Bhagavad Gita.
Very true. They are the ones who propound Bhagavad Gita like nobody does. So, I
Yeah.
think we should just go to them and they will teach you. But there are enough good, people giving proper discourses on Bhagavad Gita or, whatever you want, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavatam, whatever. Just listen to that and, take your views on that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So-
good. So we did the
That
current
was
topic.
another gyan.
Yes. Daz, how do we always end our podcast?
Chutkula time.
Yes, chutkula time. Simply chutkula.
Utterly, butterly chutkula.
Oh, good one. That's a good one. Simply chutkula.
Yes.
So let's go for
Okay,
it.
this one. Yes. खुशी के मम्मी ने खुशी के पापा से क्या कहा?
आप खुशकिस्मत हो?
नहीं.
Okay, I'm flabbergasted. Now you tell me.
आपसे मिलके खुशी हुई.
That's a really good one. आपसे मिलके खुशी. That's a really good one. Okay. One more.
Okay, the other one. चाय में अगर बाल गिर गया तो उसे क्या कहेंगे? This is very lame.
Oh God, no. चाय में अगर बाल गिर गया तो क्या कहेंगे? No,
क्या?
I can't even guess this.
बाल्टी.
Balti. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. This is a nice one. Oh God. Okay, simpletons, don't kill us, but I really like this.
We are enjoying it.
Oh wow. Okay. I hope this time we don't have any recording glitches and.
Oh yeah. Don't tell me that.
But we have really enjoyed bringing this one more edition to all of you.
Yes.
So simpletons, hope you also enjoyed it.
Laugh off your head.
Yes. Okay, so time to say bye.
Yes. So we all meet in the next episode
Yes.
with another new topic.
Yeah.
Chulbula.
Yes. And simpletons, as usual, keep smiling, be cheerful, spread cheer. So signing off, Daz and Chops.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye.
सोती रातों में जागी सी मिली एक अजनबी से कोई आगे ना पीछे तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी सोती रातों में जागी सी मिली एक अजनबी से कोई आगे न पीछे तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है दिल ही दिल में चली जाती है बिगड़ी बिगड़ी चली आती है दिल ही दिल में चली जाती है बिगड़ी बिगड़ी चली आती है धुंधलाती हुई बलकाती हुई सावन की सोनी रातों में मिली एक अजनबी से कोई आगे ना पीछे तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी सोती रातों में जागी सी मिली एक अजनबी से कोई आगे ना पीछे तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है डगमग डगमग लहकी लहकी भूली भटकी बहकी बहकी डगमग डगमग लहकी लहकी भूली भटकी बहकी बहकी मछली मछली घर से निकली पगली सी काली रातों में मिली एक अजनबी से कोई आगे ना पीछे तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है जागी सी, सोती रातों में जागी सी, मिली एक अजनबी से, कोई आगे न पीछे, तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है। वाह 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 वाह। तन भीगा है सर गीला है, उसका कोई पेच भी ढीला है। तन भीगा है सर गीला है, उसका कोई पेच भी ढीला है। तनती झुकती चलती रुकती, निकली अंधेरी रातों में, मिली एक अजनबी से, कोई आगे न पीछे, तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है। एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी, सोती रातों में जागी सी, मिली एक अजनबी से, कोई आगे न पीछे, तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है।